Here it is. Reveals the skin's age. Girl, I don't want maybe a little muscle milk. Huh? That's nasty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be my first impressions, first thoughts, opinions, and even facial expressions of the Fabfitfun box. And I actually purchased it with my own money. This is not sponsored, this is not affiliated. I don't have any affiliated codes for myself, for my benefit. I'm just going to give you an honest review if it's even worth it. I spent 50 bucks on it. I think the promo code gives you $10 off, but you still have to pay for shipping, I believe. I'll make sure I put that information in the description box down below. Now, it didn't take too long to get here. Mind you that there's only 4 boxes that come out a year. So it comes out seasonally, and right now I think I have the summer box. So I'm really excited that I actually was able to join in on the fun before fall came, because I feel like life is just happening so damn fast. Yes, I only snapped with one hand, okay, because this one is like good for nothing. This needs a little symbol over here. But anyhow, I am really excited to open this box and show you everything that's inside, so hopefully you guys are interested, and if you are, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family. I've got a lot of fun activities and videos and content for you guys this summer, and I'm really excited to open up my heart and my family to you all, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also notifications, even though a lot of people are saying they are a part of the notification squad, but they're not getting notified. I don't know, girl. I'm not in control. The Lord is, and apparently YouTube. And with that said, let's get started. So the first thing in this box is going to be this little, it looks like a newspaper, almost like a newsletter. Let me put this down. I'm buff, but not that buff. Is she a Victoria's Secret model? I'm not sure, but she's beautiful. Oh, it does. It talks about products. I should tell you that you have options to customize your box before you receive it. So for me, I could care less about makeup. Now I know I do wear makeup and I talk about makeup on my channel, but I honestly don't need any more makeup. So I tend to just get a few things that I absolutely love and I'm interested in. So I don't want any shockers, or, you know, I feel like I'm on a bunch of PR lists. So I don't need any more makeup coming in my bag or my box. But I did want like lifestyle stuff. I did want fashion and jewelry and, you know, things like that. So I'm interested to see what they selected for my box. Also, they did give you some options for some bonus products in your box for a discounted price. But for me, honestly, I felt like it wasn't really that much of a discount, so I didn't even bother with those. I just want what I paid for. I want the products that are for free. Not for free, but you know, I want just what I paid for. I don't want any extras unless it's super cute or like really, really good deal. Like a diamond ring for $1. You know what I'm saying? Now, I am really impressed at how well everything stayed nicely packed in this box. So they take up almost every inch of the box, which is really nice, especially when Ace Ventura is your UPS man. I swear, I don't even know how this made it, because usually things look like they've been ran over, backed up on, parked. He had a sandwich and then ran it over again and took off into the sunset. Over here in the corner, you can see that there is a Tarte eyeshadow palette. Also, they included a Summer and Rose towel, some products from COOLA. There's a straw in here. I'm wondering what that's about. So yeah, I'm just gonna start pulling things out and then giving you guys my feedback. So there is a straw in here, but I don't see a drink. At least not offhand, so I'm not sure why there's a straw in here. No, there's no drink. Where is the drink at? I want a drink to go with my straw, my free straw. It says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. And I'm just guessing that it is probably a paper straw, so that when it hits the water for a certain amount of time that it will become soft. Have you guys seen that video with the turtle who has like a straw stuck like I don't even know how he got that straw up there, but it's all the way like into his life, and they pull it out so aggressively. Poor thing must have felt so much pain and relief at the same time. And if you ever drank anything with a paper straw, you know you have to do it quick because it's gonna get soggy and fall apart. Next up we have Orlando PITA Play. This is a hair protectant spray. and I love the packaging. It's really pretty. This is something you definitely would probably want to keep on your countertop just because it looks good. Hopefully the spray is not like and it's like a really nice mist. I love when sprays are mists. Now the product is really, really thick, almost like a lotion. So let's see. It says apply to wet or dry hair. So I have to really look into this because I was about to just go at it and put it into my hair. I'm so glad I did not do that just yet. So heat protectant sprays can be used for any activity. Anytime that you're going to be exposed to the sun, you're going to want to put that in your hair, especially if you have like newly bleached hair, colored hair, any hair that might be fine or brittle or just dry and dehydrated. It's really important to protect your hair. Okay, next is this Luna Fofo Midnight. The heck is that? Okay, let me open this up because this is in a little package. I'm not sure what that means. So this is supposed to be a facial cleansing brush, but it's made out of silicone and it's got these like little silicone beads on it. So I'm guessing, okay, so you have to download an app and the app is actually going to tell you what you're going to need as far as customizing a cleansing routine. It records your skin's progress. It reveals the skin's age. Girl, I don't want to see that. Next up is a product from MAJI or MAJI Sports, and this is just resistant bands. So this is going to be nice to take with me when I go to the gym because my trainer actually uses the equipment that everybody else in the gym uses. Now, I mean, fine, he's not going to bring his own like weight machines, but like the actual pulleys and things like that where everybody else is putting their hands, to me, that really grosses me out. So there are like sanitation stations like all throughout the gym, but if I can bring something to like minimize that a little bit, I'm definitely gonna do that. So I'm gonna throw that into my gym bag. Next up is a jar of body caviar. Now I personally never tasted caviar because I'm not cool, and plus the thought of eating fish eggs is like, better not. It's really earthy smell. So it says here that you're going to want to mix the body caviar thoroughly so the oils and salts combine into some kind of like a fancy paste, and you're going to rub this all over your body during or after your, you know, washing routine. Like the smallest print ever, I'm like squinting because literally I feel like I need to bust out a magnifying glass because it says in smallest print ever, hydrating body scrub, because I was like, what the heck is this? I actually tipped the jar a little bit and I felt like I was gonna like spill all the oil out, so you have to make sure that you are safe in the shower. If you don't have a mat to keep you from slipping to your death, I would definitely sit down on the side of the tub or sit in the tub like bath style and rub it on your body to be safe, because I can't even tell you how many times I've used face scrubs or oils in the shower and almost killed myself. That's like not the way to go. Like naked with like one hairy leg. It's like not good. Okay, next up is something from Pier 1 Imports. So it just comes in this little cardboard box. I'm not sure what the heck this is. Let's see. Oh, it is a little dish to put on your nightstand to either hold, for me, I'm just thinking like how I would use it and how I've been using it, because I have one that's like already has like a cool crack in it. I use it to store like my loose chains or small earrings that I don't want to lose, items like that. So you put this on your nightstand, or you can even use it as a coaster, but that's how I would use it. It's like a little jewelry plate. Then here is that palette from Tarte that I saw. This is actually the Tarte Pro Glow palette, and this has highlight and contour shades. So I thought it was, I don't know why I thought it was eyeshadow. Oh, it's probably because of here. It like looks like eyeshadows. Now honestly, I already have this product, so if you guys would like to win this, I'm just gonna have just a random, just spur of the moment, spontaneous little giveaway. All you do is leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Don't do it again. If you have already clicked subscribe, don't do it again, because you're going to unsubscribe from my channel. So I'm going to check those things. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel and leave a comment saying whatever you guys want. Like enter me, or I don't know, like I love Tarte, or I want to win the palette. Whatever you guys want to say, I'm going to be selecting the winner in like a week's time. I'll let you guys know all the information about this little giveaway in the description box down below. Next is going to be this COOLA organic skincare. So this is a moisturizer, and this is COOLA Sport, and it has SPF 50 in it, which is really nice because I feel like a lot of our standard sunscreens are only for the body. So if it doesn't say face, don't put it on your face. If it says face, you can put it on your face all the way down to your toes. So that's just like the rule of moisturizers, period. I love the packaging. The packaging is super duper cute. The size is great because you can stick this anywhere. I mean, not anywhere, but you know what I mean. I'm already in love with this product. If it smells like white tea, I'm gonna smell it really quick. Hopefully it's not too powerful because my eyes water so easily. Ooh, it smells really good. And last but not least is this Summer in Rose towel. Now I'm gonna open it because I am nosy. I wanna feel the texture of the actual towel, if it's nice, if it's soft. Actually, it's okay. My first impressions of the towel, it kind of looks like an airport blanket. I believe you get to pick out of 2 different designs which one that you want. So I picked the one named Palm. Now, as far as this towel goes, to be honest with you guys, I would have not purchased this on its own because it's really, really thin. The print's really pretty. The color is very vibrant. The texture is really soft to the touch, but it's not thick. So if you were to lay this on the concrete next to a pool, it's gonna be like laying on the floor because there's no padding at all. It's not thick at all. It's more just for looks. So if you were to lay this on a chair or maybe even a lounging chair, would be fine, but for wrapping yourself up and trying to get dry, I don't see how this would work. It's as thin as a micro, how do you say it, those micro towels? Microfiber towels, the ones that dry things really, really fast. That's how thin it is. It's like super duper thin, but it's almost like a blanket more than it is a towel because I just don't see it absorbing very well. I feel like the water would actually bead off of this. So now I'm going to do a quick recap of everything that I got in this box. I got this beach towel, I got resistant bands, I got the body caviar, I have this little dish that I got from Pier 1, also the Tarte Pro Glow Palette, the COOLA Sport for your face. I also got this Orlando PITA Play Spray and this Luna Fofo facial cleansing brush. And I think that was it. Oh yeah, and then I also got the straw with nothing to drink with it. So overall, I honestly probably would have only purchased, if the plate was like $2, I would have purchased the plate. I already own the Tarte Pro Glow Palette, so I don't need that. So probably just the resistant bands, the dish, and the body caviar, and maybe the COOLA Sport are the products that I am the most interested in using out of this entire box. So I think that's almost like half of it that I actually would use and enjoy. I don't think I would purchase another box. That's like just my honest opinion, just because I only like half of the products. They're not like amazing. And I feel like I wish there was more choices online as far as customizing goes, because we are spending $50 for the boxes. That's without a promo code. These are just my first impressions. Now, if you guys have used them, let me know what you guys think about these products in the comments down below. It'll help all of us. Also, if you are already like a member of Fabfitfun and you feel like, just wait, maybe you just got a bad box, usually it's really good, let us know in the comments down below. I want to know if I should continue my subscription or not. So let's help each other out. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.